Welcome to another review from Darren Higgy, Hornby GWR. This time we are looking at a train pack video on the brand new Brighton Bell 1967. And if you do want to get this train pack, it's R3606 Brighton Bell 1967 train pack. So we're going to be looking at that, and plus the other one is the pack coach number. So you can get a full-on full set. It's R4871 Brighton Bell 1967 Pullman cars. So get back to that as soon as we get the main driving units out, and then we're going to put it onto the track and see how she runs. So I'll bring it close up to the camera so you can read what it says right here. So I apologise to people who I haven't got back to. So here's a brief history of the Brighton Bell. I'll slowly move it along so you can start reading it. So what I'm saying, that's what the train will come as when you get the full set. So further ado, let's get her out the box and see what she looks like. I have to let you know that I have chipped her, so she is DCC fitted, but she hasn't run. So here's the decoder form, so information and stuff like that, what you chip. Instructions, how to maintain, running in and stuff, and how to take the body off, lubrication, where to put the chip, stuff like that. So let's get her out the box. Right, let's take the bottom unit out first. That's heavy. Before we have a look at her, we've got some accessories, some couplings and some numbers there. I think for close and bit more close coupling. So yeah. So here is the power car, the one with the motor in it. Yes. In real life, she would picked up electricity from the rail system, but in model term, it'd be the track. Whoa! Apologise for the lack of focus. So that's what it says. I believe the table lights do light up, but the main cab don't. There's nice cab buffer beam detail, like screw link coupling, vacuum pipes, nice horns, roof detail, really nice. Sign on the roof says Brighton Bell. Handle this with care. Under carriage detail. It says Hornby, made in China, and basically these are basically where the corridors connect. It's quite nice. So that's the main power unit. Now we're going to get out is the dummy unit. It's the same as the driving unit, but no motor in it, unfortunately. As you can see, the same on the top. So we're going to now get out the coaches. As you can see, there's 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to get out the first one, and this is what it says: R4871, pack of 3, Brighton Bell, Pullman car, and then that number. So what we get at the top, another closed coupling. That will help if you're going to do it, but these couplings do right. So take the plastic out of the way. Right. Again, really nice detail, but no sprung buffers, afraid, on any of the coaches. I've noticed on the main power car and stuff. The walkway is nice, and you could put someone standing there or something. That's really nice on both ends. I believe these do light up. Again, moulded underneath, so yeah. So it's the same on both sides, basically. Right, the next car we're going to have a look at is R4871, Brighton Bell, Pullman car, and then that and the name, because I don't want to be, I can't pronounce words properly. So yeah. Again, another one of these. This is a 5-car unit. Again, nice detail. I think this is the kitchen car unit. I'm not 100% sure. Apologise if you can hear someone else in the background. I can't do nothing about it. Again, no sprung buffers, but nice roof detail, as you can see. So we're going to move on to the final coach, and then put it onto the track and get her running round, and hopefully we can see what she looks like when she's running. So the next coach, the final one, is R4871. Pack of 3, Brighton Bell, Pullman car, and then the other one says that. We've got another one of these closed couplings. And again, nice roof under frame detail. Roof detail's nice. Nice detail around there. As you can see, no sprung buffers, afraid. I believe these lamps do light up. That's the name of it if you want to announce it. The crest is nice. So, in total, a 5-car unit train. Not bad. So we're going to go over to my layout. And we're going to put her onto the track and see what she runs like. So I'm just going to fold the bipods away so they get smaller and take you to the layout. Right, as we are now at my layout, we are hopefully going to set up the unit here. So what we're going to have is the dummy unit be first. Apologise as my arm is in the way, and if you saw the wristband I've got on me, this is medical alert epilepsy. That is the illness I have to deal with. So yeah, apologise as you saw that. Straight away the lights are coming on. I'll show you that when I got all the coaches onto the track, before I send her on the way. Right. Right. Finally, the final one. It's the power car. And that's it. She's now coupled up. So pick up the camera. As you can see, she does have all working lights, but they want to play silly games sometimes. So as you can see, if I move the train by hand, you can see the lights do come on. So her decoder number is 41. Let's give her some juice and see what she runs like. Okay, that's backwards. She's the first time she's run. So off she goes. And stand up, so what you can see is she will cut out and die because she hasn't fully run in at all. So just going to give her a small push. She's just going to keep cutting out, so I'm just going to give her full power, give her another nudge, and hopefully she will move a bit more better. It looks like she doesn't want to move, so I'm just going to go around and literally have to go give her a small push. I think after she's run in, I think she doesn't like the dead zones on these. So basically, what could I say? She's a good runner, but she is on full power. But I wish there was more connections, like you could pick up electricity and it powers the motor as well, except from one power bogie. Strangely now she starts to run properly. So I'm going to quickly try and get a close-up shot of her as she comes past. All I can say is thank you to watch this review. Please subscribe to my channel and please click like, and please do leave your comments below if you like this video. So hopefully everything from this COVID-19 will be over and we can go back to like going to heritage lines and carry on as normal life. So yeah, thank you.